My name is Paco Kutuane. I am a process engineer at Water Icon.
My name is Peter Jensen and I'm a mechanical engineer at Water Icon.
As part of the process engineering team, I fall under the engineering division, looking at the municipal and mining sector.
My main focus is to ensure that the design and build quality of all our projects comply with the necessary standards, as well as they fit the requirements of our customers. The great part about working at Water Icon is it's a friendly team that you can consider as your family, and it's a highly driven and motivated company.
It allows one to grow personally and also to affect change within the environment that they work in. What makes us different to competitors is that we take our clients on a journey. We partner with them where we hold their hand from the beginning to the end, and we ensure that once we've offered the product or service, we still continue offering the best after sales. Our key focus of expertise is trying to solve the problem holistically. So for example, if our units will generate waste, we look at ways in which the client can also benefit from treating the waste. So essentially all product streams are seen as valuable commodities that can be used. We get a lot of inquiries more from the private sector, your food and beverage. But we're definitely expanding more into the municipal sector and government sector, and trying to sink our teeth into the mining sector as well. We have a wide range of technology solutions. We recently offered the ceramic membrane type of technology, which ensured the client brine purification. We have your conventional treatment technologies as well. When offering these solutions, we always start with bench scales, moving to pilot scale, and then to your full scale plant. With the technologies that we offer, we ensure that the equipment is transportable and easily movable, making the equipment modular. We recently installed a sewage treatment unit that could fit in a 6-meter